Hi, I'm Kamini Patel. Welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today's recipe is going to be lemon paneer tarts. So first we're going to start by coating shortbread crust tarts with dark chocolate. So these can be bought at any store. You can even make it easily at home with flour, butter, a pinch of sugar and salt. So what this does essentially is coat the insides with dark chocolate, so it gives a nice crust to it. So now I'm just going to place them in the fridge to set, and then we're going to start with our filling. So I'm going to start the paneer filling. It's so simple, and it's also very light in texture and in looks as well. It's a bit of shredded paneer cream, some sugar, vanilla extract, lemon extract, and lemon zest. It's very fresh, airy, light, refreshing, and it's very much like summer in a plate. So in almost 2 minutes, my filling is ready. I'm going to set it aside and bring out the tarts. So they're nice and hardened, the chocolate. And just scoop little bits of the mixture into the middle. That's all there is to it. Just a little sprinkling of dark chocolate on top. So there you have it, the lemon paneer tarts. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes under Britannia Dessert Carnival.